How to reset your Roblox password. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can reset our Roblox password. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to reset your Roblox password, what you have to do is first of all open your browser and go to roblox.com. When you go to roblox.com, tap on the sign in button from the top right. Now if you remembered your password, you'll be able to log in without any issue, but since you forgot it, tap on the option that says forgot password or username over here. Now here it is going to ask us to enter our username, so enter the username that you remember, then tap the next option over there. It will ask you enter the email or phone number that may be associated with your account. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter that particular email address. Now when we've done that, we can just tap on the next option over here. After you enter your email, make sure you have access to that email, so it will send a 6-digit verification code to the email. So let me go ahead and then open up that particular code. So here you can see I have received a password reset link from Roblox, so I can tap on it, and here you can see the code that I have. So I'll just copy this code and paste it. Once I've entered the code back into the field, on the next page I'll be able to create a new password. So type in the new password and reconfirm the new password, then tap on the update password button. And this way you can change your Roblox password without having to remember your old password. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.